At Hunter Fan, we not only invented the ceiling fan, we perfected it.
Our fans that we designed really look and feel like someone hand-carved it. It's not some cookie-cutter design. Our inspiration comes from shapes and textures and materials found all around us. You know, we're always looking for the latest trends and designs. And when I find what I'm looking for, I try and take that and really try and find a way to incorporate that design element into our fans.
The essence of our fans has not changed, but the interpretation has evolved again and again and again.
The body structure of the Pepeo potpourri is reminiscent of the classic look of traditional ceiling fans. True to the authentic design, the ceiling fan features pull cord operation and combines appealing style with state-of-the-art technology. The dynamic openings in the round housing are part of the elaborate design and also support ventilation of the 3-speed fan motor. Thanks to a 132 centimeter diameter, the Pepeo potpourri provides air movement in rooms with a size of up to 25 square meters. The reversible blades are mounted at a pitch of 11 degrees. All 3 speeds of the smoothly operating fan motor are controlled with a pre-installed pull chain and run at 180, 130, and 80 revolutions per minute. Depending on the selected speed level, the power consumption is 58, 40, or 26 watts. If required, it is possible to add a remote control. A manual switch on the fan housing reverses the running direction. The Pepeo potpourri comes in a variety of housing colors. Moreover, a diverse range of blade sets is available. The Pepeo potpourri is a versatile ceiling fan with a classic design. It offers sophisticated technology at an outstanding price-performance ratio.